What is going on, guys? This is your boy Scout Sniper. Guys, for the first time on this channel, I'm going to be doing a different kind of video when I'll be showing you what to look for in the market. So please, before we go further, like the video, comment below, and share. I hope you enjoy this one. I've taken the time to put everything before I started. So this is gold on the 15-minute time frame. Let me put everything back so that you can see as I explain. As you can see here, guys, I have marked this consolidation and this fair value gap as well as this breakout structure here. Normally when I trade out, I look for liquidity. So liquidity, guys, is always found in these swinging points. There's liquidity here, there's liquidity here. As you can see, this level didn't go above, so we still have this liquidity that is here that hasn't been tapped into, which may be important in the coming week. So this will be our buy side liquidity there. It is resting above that area. So we had a break of structure to the downside, but normally I wouldn't take a trade that is like this. I want to see when the market breaks structure, I want to see this level. This candle didn't close below this low. So normally I wouldn't use this kind of fair value gap. I would have not entered this trade, and as you can see, the price didn't go back here to give you a chance to sell. So that's one thing to keep in mind. I want to see this candle closing below. The one that breaks structure should close below this. That's when the trade is good to take. And again, the market broke down to the downside. When it got here, it started going up with a little consolidation and another consolidation here. So when this is happening, guys, know that traders have been trapped here as well as here. There's liquidity here, the sell side liquidity up below these levels, and the sell side again here. So during this consolidation, like I was saying, the traders that are going short will put their stop losses somewhere here, and those that are going long are putting their stop losses below these areas here. And now pay attention to this. On this day we had a big event. Normally when you see a big event and there's a consolidation here, do not try to change the candle that spike when the news come out. Wait for that candle to show you its intention, then that's when you can look for a setup. So in this case we had a consolidation prior to New York open. This is the New York kill zone, so it is half 8 in New York time. Pay attention to these kill zones. That's where you are likely to get a high probability setup. So let me mark this side. This will be our New York opening, New York kill zone. So this is the New York kill zone, guys. What you want to do is wait for the news to be released, then wait for this candle. So in this case, the candle went for the stops that are below this consolidation. You see, it took out this low, it took out the buyers. People that were buying were taken out here. So this candle came all the way to sweep all the liquidity. And then from here, this is where I would have taken my buy setup and targeted this high. So let me see how many pips, assuming that I would have gotten somewhere around here. Unfortunately, I wasn't home during this time. This would have been roughly 100 pips. That's a lot of money on gold. So guys, pay attention to these consolidations, especially when we have a big event coming. It is always the same moves, always the same moves. A spike in the opposite direction. This is what IC teaches. Consolidation, this is tripping of buyers and sellers. And then we have manipulation. This is the manipulation phase, then the delivery phase. So next week I'll be looking to see if price will reach out for this liquidity that is here. From here I'll be waiting to see if I get a sell setup or a continuation to the upside. So guys, like I said, please like this video. If you like it, comment below, let me know if I should be doing more of these videos. Scout Sniper, I'm out.